Good morning mga ka-friendship. Another day, another blessing tayo mga ka-friendship. At ito yung aming view dito mga ka-friendship. Ayan, dagat na po yan. Medyo hindi lang siya kasi parang uulan siya. Pero hindi pa naman umulan. So baka mamaya umulan na to. So ayan, dito kami nagtatambay-tambay ng aking darling. Nilalagyan namin ng sapin dito kay maglingkod-lingkod ni. Tapos, ito yung aming room dito for 3 days. Tapos yung namin, dito meron yung jacuzzi sa taas. At yan yung aming bed. Naghihintay na yung darling ko. Tara, let's go!
Tara!
So, tara! Labos na tayo mga ka-friends. Sama ko kayo. Pupunta tayo ng dagat. So, good morning! Kain muna yata kami or what? Basta, bahala na kung anong unahin namin. So, hi! Good morning, darling!
Yeah, good morning, beautiful.
Wow! Are you ready now?
I'm ready.
Okay, ako naman, nag-jacket ako ngayon, tapos nagdubli ako kay sigurado, bugnaw kay sa katanan, so nagdubli tayo ngayon, no? Ayan, tapos nagsapaw ako. So, yan, mamaya, inom ako nito. Pupuanin niya. Ayan. So, dito, tour ko kayo saglit. Ito yung aming bathroom. Meron din siyang hot tub dyan. Tapos ang among, ganyan. So, lang. Makalat kasi, wala naman, hindi naman kami So, tara, let's go! Ito yung hallway.
Here, honey, I'm in.
Tara. What? I'm vlogging.
Oh, no, I was going to put this in there.
Okay.
Your purse, but
Maybe.
Yeah, let's put it. Is it okay there?
Yeah. It's okay. Wait lang. Sakay kami ng elevator. So, hi. The rain is coming, huh?
The rain's coming.
Nagmamadali kami kasi ang ulan daw ay parating na. Nakita niya doon sa niya. Maybe there's people already there are digging clam.
I didn't see anybody out from the room, did you?
Yeah,
I think they go early morning.
Maybe.
When the tide's out. They gotta wait till the tide's out.
Wow, I feel comfortable in this.
Yeah, nice. To the right hand driver. Honey. Francisca.
Ay, Francisca, you're so cute. Like, breakfast, you need to breakfast.
Real quick. Yeah, real quick.
I'm busog lang. Because I eat already. You want to eat?
Yeah, real quick. Come on.
Okay.
We have a little something too, and then we go walk.
Okay lang. Sure.
Because otherwise the breakfast might not be here.
Breakfast muna daw kami kasi may libre kami breakfast. Meron din palang clothes.
Yeah, look.
May jean. Okay.
Hey guys. Good morning. How long do you serve breakfast till?
Till 10. Simple na naman ang breakfast nila. Bread lang. Yan. Ganyan lang ang breakfast. Thank you. So, tapos na kami mag-breakfast at ito na naman tayo. Uy, bugno yung kayo, grabe. Pero, buti na lang ready tayo sa damitan, no? Oh, nakapalit yung kong chinilas na pambata. Hi, darling.
Hi, honey.
What a beautiful day.
Beautiful morning.
Oh my God, darling.
No rain, huh? Finally.
Yeah, finally, love.
I think this is the first time you've had no rain, right?
What time is it now, love?
8 something.
Ay, di ba 7 o'clock, love? The rain? You know, there's
It gets
a news.
Well, it increases every hour. So there's 35% chance now. 55% chance at 9.
So, yan. Always good na. Hi, darling.
Okay,
Thank you, love.
You're welcome, baby.
Okay, sakay na takay. Okay, no. Hey. So, tara! Naam ko kanang kuan. Siguro magsuot ta og naka-ready po akong gloves just in case.
honey.
But I need to wear the hat, love.
Here.
Okay, thank
Don't
you.
get crumbs on the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, you would be wise to wear your hat.
Okay. Oh my gosh, nagdala ko bread kaya ipakain ko sa ano do. Bread para ipakain ako sa ibon ba. Are you okay?
Yeah. Good.
I'll put here, darling. Are you okay? I'll put first here.
No.
Here na lang, love.
Okay.
Okay.
You get crumbs everywhere, right?
So, gagawa ko sa kong driver. Ay, ready. Diyo na yan. So, pakita ko sa inyo. Mamaya sa dagat. Magpasyal-pasyal tayo maaga kasi baka mamaya uulan na. So, nagmamadali kaming kumain dahil may balita na uulan siya. Hi, guys. Tugnaw dyan siya legit na super kuan. Oh my God, I can feel the cold love in
It's
my
cold, huh?
love here.
Yeah, it'll take a minute for the car to warm.
It's okay, my love. I mean is I need to buy love, pajamas that
Thicker
keep me
socks.
warm, and also the socks.
Oh, yeah.
Because this one is still cold.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we gotta get you some big clothes.
Again, but nice heater diri awa. Kini siya, wala siya sa heater na
That's the outside temperature. 50 degrees.
So asa man ang heater?
The heater.
Okay, daray ang heater is so may kompleto siya. So ano siya ang view. Gorgeous siya ka. Padung na ni sa papunta na to ng ocean. So medyo kalayuan siya, no, medyo may kalayuan pero
see that motel there, honey?
yeah.
That's the one I was staying at with the when you seen the deer. You remember?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yep. The deer come up in the front yard there. And they're all over out in these bushes out here.
Yesterday no. Laro dayong ocean uy. So dili di siya malayo. Akala ko doon pa kami. Lapit na kami. Nagdala na lang kami kay just in case umulan at may kami, may mga gamit kami. Kasi mahirap na pagka umulan tapos
Ulan, rain.
Dagko kay bawd na katakot siya uy. Ang katakot. So, be careful lang pa kay dili siya kayo ko rough siya. I think it's high tide lang.
It is high tide.
That is why love that there's no digging.
No digging, yeah. They gotta wait until
maybe afternoon.
Or evening, right?
Yeah.
Low tide.
Katakot yung mga kasi Ocean Pacific na pala dito eh.
Nobody out here, which is nice.
Kalmado ra kayo pero tugnaw kayo sa tanan. Wow. Looks scary and love, no? The waves, big waves.
Nice. It's beautiful.
40 horse rentals.
You remember during the summer, the times I'd come out here during the summer, the videos I'd send you how beautiful it was.
Yeah,
Blue
but that was in
sky.
summer, love, no?
Yeah, blue sky, warm.
Yeah.
Right? Oh yeah.
Wow. Grabe naman tao mo. Are you sure, love, that they will not attacking
No,
us?
they're not going to attack you.
Oh.
We'll wait until we get out. There'll be lots of them down here. When we get out, they'll start flying around.
Wow.
Wow.
Nice here.
Our hotel. That might be the one, honey.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Maybe. I don't think so.
Yeah.
Okay, honey.
Okay. Right here. Okay. Tara, labas tayo.
Vance is getting her hat. Woo! Oh, it's cold. Oh, I love my coat, honey. I love my coat.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Woo! Hey. Okay. Beautiful. Let's go.
Woo! Kailangan na ito magigani kay Tugnaw kayo sa kanal. Ang akong tugnan. Ay! Ay! Grabe Tugnaw ah. Okay, Tugnaw road. Yeah, but, love, look at all right there. Let's go back right there.
What?
That's it for our tickets.
Oh, they did.
Oh, grabe! Ang lamig! I think high tide's night lang.
Yeah. Yeah, you see.
Oh! Wait. Ang akong kamot!
Be ready for the jacuzzi, honey.
Oh my God! Naghiwa na akong mata!
Hey.
Tugnaw! Where's the bread? Oh. Oh. Woo! Love, I don't want to go there early. Scary. Hi guys! So ayan na mga ka-friends, dito na kayo. Dito na kami at distansya kami sa dagat. Uy, kay Buting. Bawad, Jude. Grabe kayo nagkumayang bawad. Yeah.
I think that's ours.
Okay.
Is that ours?
I don't
No, maybe not.
Marami-rami tao doon banda. Doon banda. Hindi nyo makita. Lawak! Ang lawak nito. Grabe. Ay, legit talaga. Tugnaw kayo. La, be careful. Ang kamot. Tugnaw kayo. Nang gahit. Lablab. My hands. What is that?
It's a broken one, honey. It's a broken one. If you can find a whole one, it'll be good.
Okay. That's
It's a
what-
sand dollar.
Yeah.
It's a sand dollar, and I got a whole one at
You
the
showed
house.
me that before.
Yeah, right. But this one's broken. But you want to
Okay,
find
yeah.
a whole one.
Okay. Oh, grabe. Ay, nanagay. Akong kamot mga ka-friendship.
Now they're attacking us. Get out of here! See what you did, honey?
Scared.
Here, shut it off.
Look! Ay! No more now. Come on. I'm scared. Dami na nila ba? Oy, kulang among bread. Love, let's go. Love, I feel so cold. Let's go back. We will go there.
Yeah, you just keep walking.
Yeah.
Now,
But there's a dog.
now they're all hungry. See that?
How cute that ano bring some.
They got lots of food out here.
Really?
Yeah.
But, yeah. Tignan tayo. Grabe. Na akong ilong. Puwa ka na. Puwa na kaya akong ilong. Grabe ay.
Uy.
Uy, dahil namin sa sud. Tagnaw na dyan kayo. Pero at least naka-exercise ko ba nga.
Alright.
Grabe kaya ang kanang hangin nag-face.
Look down my hat.
Here.
Oh. Thanks. Look at my hair.
Oh my
It's
God.
windy out there.
Yeah, gayno ko. Ang lamig, grabe mga ka-friendship, sobrang lamig. Nanigas na yung kamay ko. Grabe, di ka dapat lang talaga, saglit lang ba? Punjog ka, gisipon jug ka, tapos ang imong kuan dapat may cover kasi ang skin. What is that?
Three.
Akong kamay.
That was fun though, huh?
Yeah.
Your seatbelt, huh?
So, ayun na, pauwi na kami at tanggalin na natin to at Grabing experience mga friendship. Makaluya ang katugnaw eh. Makaluya sa dang katugnaw. Kapag di jud ka kuan sa tugnaw, maadjud eh. Manggahi jud ka. Sana may mga friendship. Bye. Dito na lang ako mag-i-end ng aking vlog for today.
It's behind us.
Ulan na. Saktong pag-uwi namin, uwi na kami. Ulan. Kasi maghapon tong ulan na to eh. Pero okay lang, at least naka-experience kami. So, bye! Bye mga ka-friendship! Hi love!
Hi,
See you in
sweetheart.
my next vlog! So, kasama na natin siya sa ating vlog. And thank you for watching! See you in my next video. Bye! Have a good day everyone!
Bye.